The first line of defense against infection by bacteria and other pathogens is the skin, which is an important barrier covering most of the body. If this barrier is damaged, bacteria or other foreign particles can gain access to the nutrient-rich environment inside the body and may reproduce rapidly. The inflammatory response is an innate immune response that attempts to fend off intruders of any variety and to repair tissue damage. When a wound has occurred, platelets in the bloodstream release proteins that form clots and decrease bleeding. Other blood clotting proteins help wall off the damaged area. Several types of leukocytes respond to the wound and the invaders. Mast cells, a type of leukocyte normally present in connective tissues, release chemical messengers that cause nearby blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to the wound. However, other chemicals released by the mast cells cause blood vessels a bit farther away from the wound site to dilate, thus increasing their permeability and allowing leukocytes, plasma, and blood components to enter the region from the bloodstream. Neutrophils, another type of leukocyte, secrete substances that degrade bacterial cell walls and engulf and digest the invaders. Macrophages, yet another type of leukocyte, arrive after the neutrophils and perform many of the same functions. As part of the immune response, macrophages break down the bacterial proteins and present them as antigens, together with class II MHC, or major histocompatibility proteins, on their plasma membrane, enabling other immune cells to attack the bacteria. Macrophages also secrete cytokines, chemical messengers that perform several functions in wound repair. Cytokines may stimulate the release of additional neutrophils and macrophages and induce fever, which can help in wound healing. The site of inflammation can become swollen from the increased numbers of cells and fluids, red and warm from the increased blood flow, and painful due to signals from pain receptors. The inflammatory response continues until all of the foreign material is eliminated and the wound is repaired.